What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. So today we're doing a sneaker review. So this company called Art Miss Street sent me over a pair of sneakers to review. You guys know I'm such a sneakerhead. I've been collecting shoes for a long time, so I know a lot about shoes, and a lot of people love when I review shoes, and I'm really excited to get back into sneaker reviews. So yeah, they sent me over a pair of sneakers to review. I'm going to do an on-foot review as well. I'm going to show you guys what they look like on and give you guys my honest opinion about the shoes. So before I get into the video, make sure you guys follow me on social media. My Instagram is @shalishasflawless, Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xxshalishasflawless. And of course, please do not forget to hit your subscribe button, join the flawless gang. I would love to have you here, a part of the family, so you don't miss out on any more uploads I am uploading for Vlogmas, as well as uploads I have to come in the new year, so stick around and stay tuned. So all that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this Jordan sneaker review. So of course, you guys know, if you've been here for a long time, I have like the biggest shoe collection ever. Like, I'm a female sneakerhead and I have so many shoes. I've been collecting for probably over, I'm 21, so probably over 10 years I've been collecting shoes, and I've started when I was like 11 years old, and I love shoes ever since. So I'm really good at you know, reviewing shoes and stuff like that. You guys know my whole collection is real, so just because someone sends me a pair of shoes to review, I'm just reviewing the shoe for the brand and let you guys know in case you do want a, you know, affordable option for shoes. So yeah, like I tell you guys in my videos, don't knock anyone that, you know, does wear non-authentic shoes. The only thing that makes a shoe not authentic is because it doesn't come directly from the seller, like Foot Locker or Nike. These shoes are made in the same factories. It doesn't make you less than if you wear shoes like this. Just because the shoe doesn't come directly from the seller does not mean that, you know, it doesn't look just as good, because these shoes look literally identical to a lot of the real sellers and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys the whole packaging and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I got to pick out a pair of shoes, and I decided to pick out some Jordans. I've been wanting these for a long time, and yeah, I cannot wait to style them because I've been wanting these for so long, this whole fall season. Where the wild ones are. So these are the Retro 4s. I got these in a size 7, and so this is the label. It literally looks identical to how my Jordans come. I got these in a 7, so that's an 8.5 in women's. So in the box, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It has this paper on it, and then the shoes sit inside. So let me unwrap this and let me show you guys what the shoes look like. So these are the Where the Wild Ones Are 4s, and that's what they look like inside. Let me take them out and show you guys a close-up. Okay, so here are the shoes out the box. These are so cute, and they literally look identical to all of my 4s that I have. They look so similar. So first they have this tag, and it just says Art Miss Street. That's their name. And then this is the quality of the shoe. You have that fuzzy layer on the outside, and just this beige color is so pretty. I love the pops of color in this shoe as well. This is so unique. Like, you don't never see a lot of, like, especially grade school shoes, they have like this like cool unique touch of like fur. Like, that is so cool. And out of all the 4s I have, this one is definitely the most unique. I have so many 4s. I have, you know, the Oreo 4s. I have these like hyper purple ones with like this color green. I have a couple pair of 4s. So these ones are definitely the most unique, and they are the most cutest I have in my collection now. So this is the soles of them. Has that gum bottom right here, and then the red Jumpman. And then this is the midsole right here. Has that nice brown color. The toe box right here, it has a nice soft leather that is really nice as well, and then white trim around the front, laces, beige, and then this right here, this patch is just a like a darker brown with the Jordan Flight in the middle. And then you have, of course, the tabs for 4s on the sides. These are red, and then this side is blue. So these are the shoes. Let me show you guys both of them. So this is both of them out the box. I think these are so cute, and these literally are identical to the 4s. I don't see any flaws on these shoes at all. Okay, so you guys know I am very honest with my reviews, and I spot a few little defects, but they're not super obvious. But you know, I have to be honest with the content I'm putting out. So on this side of the shoe, this left one, there's a little bit of white paint on the side right here where it's supposed to be tan. I also noticed that this part right here, the netting right here, is a little scrunched right here. It's like a little hole. I don't know if it's literally like, it looks like a hole. I don't know if it's even glued on. So that's something I noticed. It's a little bit of scratching up here, but not too crazy. Just a little bit of glue residue. It's just really just a little, just not even that much, but it's a little glue residue. Even the originals have glue residue, but inspecting the shoes, I don't see anything else but that. But those are the only things I really peeped about the shoe. Everything else is fine. But yeah, that's the only thing I peeped about these shoes. I had to be honest, you know what I'm saying? These shoes, you know, buying from, you know, sellers is not bad, but you gotta also know it's a risk, you know, with the shoe not being perfect or something like that. But Art Miss Street, they do have great quality. It's just, you know, sometimes one shoe, or you know, you might have a couple little defects, but other than that, this is a great deal. You save a ton of money, you know, with shopping with sellers like this. But just know that you might come into a little bit of defects when you are shopping with them. But other than that, these shoes are beautiful. They're so unique, and I can't wait to wear these because they're so original. I love them, and these shoes are dope. Like, I think they're so adorable, and they're really, really, really cute. There's like a CH right here. I'm not sure what that means, but yeah, these look really good. It has the Air Jordan in the inside, and then of course it comes with shoe trees to keep the shape of the shoe. These are so cute, and I think they are really nice. A lot of these shoes after resale are not worth it. I'm just saying, you know, but me being in the sneaker game for as many years as I have, a lot of these shoes that get resold are not worth it after retail. I'm sorry. So if you really want a shoe but you don't feel like paying, you know, resellers, go check out Art Miss Street. They have a lot of shoes on there. They have Dunks, they have Jordans, they have Yeezys. So if you really want a shoe but you don't really feel like paying that price, grab you one of these. The shipping is quick. Also comes off of FedEx. So that's a plus as well with shopping with them. But the only thing I can say on the inside that is different from the other Jordans that come out is the paper. Normally Jordans have the, you know, the 23 paper, you guys know, but this one comes with this kind of just plain brown paper. But that is the only things that I see with the shoe. These don't look out of place. These are really, really good dupes. I'm sorry, these are really good dupes. Like, if I'm being honest, these are super, super cute, and they're like really hard to spot any flaws with these because these are so nice. So these are the Jordan for where the wild ones are. So now I'm going to show you guys an on-foot review of these on my feet, so you guys get an idea of what they look like on. I cannot wait to style them. I have an outfit already in mind because I've been wanting these for a while, but when they came out, I didn't have any luck with them because honestly, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like sneakers have got super hard to get recently. I don't know why, but like years ago you could get a pair of shoes, but now it's like become impossible. And I don't understand it. But yeah, we're going to try these on, and I'm going to let you guys see what they look like on my feet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll that clip. So yes guys, those were the shoes. They are adorable. I love them. And for me being a sneakerhead with all the years that I have, you know, got shoes, and I, you know, studied shoes, you know, Jordans and stuff like that, like the background of a lot of sneakers, these ones are really, really nice dupes. These ones are so nice, and honestly, like I said, anyone that would wear you know, like replica shoes or whatever, and they don't want to, you know, actually go out and buy the real one, don't knock them, of course. Like I said, these shoes that you buy are literally from a different factory, but the reason it makes them authentic is because you buy them from the main sellers like Foot Action and Foot Locker and Nike. That's the only difference. So literally, if no one knew where you got your shoes, no one would know anything about where you got them or anything. So that's your business too. So these are so cute though. If you really are interested in these, check them out. I will have them linked below for you guys. You get the direct link, and all the information on these shoes will be below, so check the description box out for these. So that is the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys really did enjoy this review. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought of these shoes. I think these are so cute and original. I have nothing like this in my collection, especially with the fur. Like, that is something that really sticks out to me. I don't have any shoes with fur on them, so I think these are so cute, and I cannot wait to style them. I have an outfit already in mind, so yes, I cannot wait to wear it on the gram, and you guys will see me wear these really soon. But like I said, these were sent for me for review. You guys will see me wearing these on Instagram really soon. I have to get the sweatsuit I want to wear with them, but once I get that, I'll be ready to take my pictures and post on the gram. But until then, make sure you guys check out Art Miss Street. I'll have them linked below. They have so many shoes. Their company has so many great reviews as well. They have an Instagram page. You can follow them on Instagram. They message you back on there if you have any questions. Their website is really nice as well and organized. You can go by the different categories and brands. So check them out. They are awesome. Their communication is great. Customer service is awesome as well. So them sending me these, I would highly recommend checking them out. If I was shopping with them, I would be highly satisfied with my pair of shoes. So yes, check them out below, and I will have them linked as well as these shoes linked below. So as always, follow me on social media. My Instagram is @ShalishaSflawless, Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is XOXShalishaXOX. And of course, please do not forget to hit your subscribe button to join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here. If you guys want me to keep reviewing shoes, let me know in the comments. So with all that being said, and I'll catch you guys back in the next video very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.